What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're doing a battery change on a Volkswagen flip key. This flip key is going to take replacement battery CR2032. The first thing we want to do is go ahead and have this key in the open position. So press that button, have the key flipped out. Then what we're going to be doing is pulling this back cover off right here. And most of these you can just get off with your fingers. If you put them under here like that and just pull off. If yours is coming off particularly tough, you may want to use a flathead screwdriver or something to help you. But again, most of them you'll be able to just pull off with your fingers as I just did. Then once you get that cover off, we can see our battery right here. And there's this little notch right here that'll allow you to get a small flathead screwdriver or something even with a point on it in there just to help you get the old battery out. We'll grab our new one, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Plus side up. Go ahead and snap that in there like that. We'll put this back cover on, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.